No. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Roxro, and I am about to go on a boat cruise around the islands. So this is where we gather to go on the boat. We're at Chagaramas. So we're going to go on one of the boats. One of these boats, I'm not too sure which one it is, but we are going to go and spend the whole day touring around the island. This is where we gather, both side of us, to go around the islands. A lot of yachts, a lot of boats. Don't know which one it is, but we're gonna go, and that's our contingent. Now we are sailing. We are going to Chacachacare Island. So we're now sailing. Ah! Oh. Wait, is that now we are in the boat. This is the boat here again. Our contingent. Now we are here. This is one of the islands. Still sailing. We're going to go around about 5 or 6 islands. It's our own Alcatraz Island. This is where they house their prisoners, serving life. That's another island there. We are going to go around 4 or 5 islands, and we are going to go to the cave. So this is a lovely excursion. These are the beach houses around the island. All of it. And they have some Airbnb too here. Right, they have some Airbnb.
And then something different from what they say. Something different.
It is about 12 to 13 islands we pass, and this is a circular island. This is a very big island if you look at it. It's go round like this, something like a horseshoe. I think that is where we're going. We're going into the cave. So I guess straight across that side is where we're going. Some people do have a lot of houses along the shoreline. I'm going to build my house somewhere across there. Right across there, I'm going to build my house.
I don't know.
This is our destination. We have reached. This is one of the islands. Coming off here. Right, we have arrived on Chacachacare beach. Well, not beach. This is not a beach. This is a island. This is an island. So we have arrived. So now we're going to look to set up, and we're going to go through the caves, hiking. You're documenting all? Yes, darling. Woo! Yes. Some people overnight here and they're fishing. So this is the setup they camp overnight and they're fishing. Some guys, I love fishing. I wish if I could have done that. This is another set of fishing. Hello. Set of fishing and they're camping out. Hi. You too, darling. So this is we're going to the nature. A nature walk. Here we are. A nature walk. And the whole set coming. So we have to walk with our loads through nature. It's a little while we have to walk to go and set up camping. I don't know where we are, but I know we're going on a nature trail and then into the cave. So this island is like a U. It has like a long U shape. It's very big. I think this is one of the biggest islands they have, and they have a lot of them when we pass. So this is a lovely nature trail. It's beautiful, cool. It's very cool. And we have Mr. Strongman here, lifting his bottle of water for the nature trail. It's a long way. Woo! I can't help you, bro. Oh, this is beautiful. This is under the rocks here. Look. This is at the, I guess, in front of or at the back. Oh. So it looks like we're hiking to go to meet our destination. I don't know how far again we have, but I'm just going. Oh, oh boy. We have to go up a hill. Oh God. So now it's two where we can go. We can go this trail here. We can go this trail, but we are going down this way. Oh, this way we are going down. So it's beautiful. Good night, yeah. Oh, and they have like a little pool down this side here. You have between the grasses, they have a little pool. But we're going down this way. Oh, oh shucks. Our final destination. So we have to hike again when we settle in. This is where we are. This is in our own little private beach. This is our own little private beach. So this is our final destination. Oh. Now it's lunchtime. So we are eating lunchtime. After we, well, minus the garbage there, but this is the surroundings. And the beach is right in front there. And we all doing some kind of lunch. Eating some kind of lunch. This is my plate here. Not too much. And we have about 15 different dishes. Here we are. They gotta say it. Hi. Oh my. All this is it. We're going on a hike. This is the hike up Chacachacare. Those are the hikers. I'm trying my best to make it, but we are going and we are making it in Jesus' name. Woo! You go. Oh, here we shit. Okay. That is the lighthouse there we reach accomplish. Oh, this is the milestone. How much meters is this to go up the lighthouse? How much meters? Yeah.
You don't reach here
I can't go up more. Oh. I think I'm good here. We reach. This is the hike. And that is the lighthouse up there. Oh. we're taking off now. This is the final leg of the excursion in the islands of the islands. You all had a wonderful time?
Oh, I enjoyed the day. It was wonderful.
I enjoyed the bath.
And the hike?
Yes.
He didn't hike. The hike was great.
Did you enjoy the hike?
It was great. So great.
Debbie, you enjoyed the hike? It was wonderful. It's the final leg. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. The boat closed us. The water is rough. High. The water is so high. This is the water. Oh, what is rough? The water is so rough. Look at the boat there. It's on the boat with another contingent there. Says one more there, the next one is here. That's the other side of the islands. The beach houses, mega mansions, other side of the islands. This is coming to the end of our journey now. We're going back to port at the old heliport. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Bye. See you later. This is our excursion out in the Chacachacare resort, island so to speak. And the hiking was a little tedious for me, but I came back in one piece. I saw the lighthouse as you would see, and now we are going back into port. Small boats. See you later. Bye. Finally, we meet on port. Coming off of our little boat. This is the boatyard. Ooh.